Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Welcome to Questions with the Captain. This is
Kareem Game Show and I'm your host, Captain Amir Mushtaq.
okay. And during this trip, you can win up to 1,000 dirhams. So,
Wow.
would you like to play the game?
Of course.
Absolutely. For 1,000 dirhams.
As long as you ask us easy questions.
Let me explain to you the game. I will ask you 9 questions, and the first 4 questions will be easy, and each one for 50 dirhams. And then 3 questions will be little bit harder, and each one for 100 dirhams. And the last 2 questions will be tough, and each one for 250 dirhams. So you can win up to 1,000 dirhams in this game show, okay? And in between, you give me 3 wrong answer, you will out, you will lose entire money which is you won.
Oh.
Okay?
Three? 3 wrong answers?
That yes.
3 strike, you will out.
That's so.
Yeah, we should have
That's so
more
unfair. No,
flexibility.
Good thing is there now. I will ask you one more BMW wildcard question. Okay? So you will win a prize. Okay? So my first question is, who is the president of the UAE?
You should know it. You've been here longer.
Okay, wait, let me think.
You should get this right.
Sheikh
Obviously.
Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Yeah?
Are you confident with that?
Yes.
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 Yes, that is the correct answer. So now you have a 50 dirhams.
Okay.
Okay, it was important question. So now I'm going to ask you second question. What is the capital of Canada?
Wait. We know this.
We know this. It's Ottawa.
Let's look it.
Ottawa. We should
Not
go with-
Toronto. Should I look that?
Yeah, we should go with Ottawa.
I think we've heard that Toronto.
Yeah,
and
it's one of the
Ontario is
trickiest
like
things.
It's tricky.
There are
over
a few
here.
countries who have these tricky, like Australia
Like
and
there are
all
some
of these.
cities that are more popular, but that's not the capital. I think Ottawa is the capital.
Ottawa will be the one.
Let's look
Okay,
it.
yes, that is the correct answer. So now
I live.
No, you have 100 dirhams now. Okay, and still you have a 3 chance. Now question number 3. Which city are you visiting if you are in Taj Mahal?
Wait. I know.
Agra. Yes. Wait, it's the city, right?
Agra is the city. Yes, that is the one. Agra, Aligarh. No, Agra. Aligarh. Agra is in Aligarh. No, Agra. Agra is the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've heard Agra.
Yeah. Anyway, we have 3 chances, so.
I'm
But
not losing a chance on Taj Mahal.
No, yeah, you're
Agra.
right.
Agra will be the one.
Okay.
Yes,
Agra.
congratulations.
How are we killing it?
So okay guys, now I'm going to ask you 4th question. It is also for 50 dirhams. In a website browser address bar, what does www stand for?
You know this? That's why you're making this face?
Obviously
World
I
Wide
know
Web?
this. It's World Wide Web. It's
Is it?
as simple as that. We should not think about
But is it that easy?
Okay, we should not think about this. Like
Okay.
World Wide Web.
So it is a correct answer.
Oh,
Congratulations again. Now you have 200 dirhams, okay? So now I'm going to ask you BMW wildcard question. Okay, and I just need the answer true or false.
Oh,
Okay? BMW made its first electric car in 2002.
Should we go for true? Go for true.
yeah, I think let's go for it. Sounds about right. Yeah.
True?
Can we know the price? But it will put more pressure on us.
You can win BMW driving experience in Dubai Autodrome.
Whoa! That's pretty cool.
Nice.
I've always wanted to do that.
But
Go for
you
it,
need to
right?
give me the correct answer, okay?
What if it was 2003 then? Like it's just 1 year after that.
Yeah, but
We don't
like-
really know. The stakes are too high.
I mean, look, we can go for false if you want. I don't know. My gut feeling says true. But we can go for false if you feel so strongly about it.
Let's go for false.
Okay. go.
We
for
will
false.
see, you know.
Okay, it's fine. Let's go for false.
We'll do false.
Yes, that is the correct answer.
Yes!
You win the BMW
Oh.
driving experience
God,
at
yes.
Dubai Autodrome.
Ooh,
Okay, thank you so much.
when was the year actually? The
Yeah,
correct
well,
year?
when was the
It
correct
was
year?
1972.
So your logic failed. Your logic.
No, I actually said
failed.
maybe it was earlier than that. I once said that as well in the middle. That it might be even earlier than that.
So congratulations
Oh,
for
wow.
that. So now you will have still this prize. So now I'm going to ask you question number 5. Okay? And that question for 100 dirham. In the show Breaking Bad, Hank is a DEA agent. What does DEA stand for?
Oh, wait.
Drug Enforcement Authority.
Oh yes.
Enforcement, right? But drug enforcement क्यों कर रहे हैं? Like, why are they doing a drug
No,
enforcement? You know,
Drug.
like drug enforcement
No.
authority.
You're right.
Drug. Thing is, drugs enforcement authority.
How does that make sense? Why would it be drug enforcement?
Yeah, because it's law enforcement, so law is
Yeah,
enforced.
I think you're
Drug.
thinking about that enforcement.
Should we go with the gut instinct? Drug
Okay.
enforcement authority.
It doesn't make sense, but you got the last one correct. So
Oh, it's based on history. Okay, then drugs enforcement authority. We're gonna lock that.
Sorry guys, that is the wrong answer. You lose 100 dirhams now, but still you have
I'm sorry.
two
What was the right
chance,
answer?
one strike only.
Oh.
The right answer is Drug Enforcement Administration.
Oh, we were so close.
you were right about enforcement. Why aren't they enforcing drugs?
Oh, why is it administration?
So now I'm going to ask you question number 6. Okay, that is also for 100 dirhams. How many elements are there in periodic table?
This is 41 or 42.
Honestly, this is all on you. I took business.
Oh, this is
I had business
41 or
subject.
42. This is. Why do I remember that it's near to 40?
Yes, even I remember that. You're correct.
It's either 41 or 42. 41, I think so.
Okay, so you said 41, right?
Yes.
Sorry guys, this is wrong answer.
What was the correct one?
The correct answer is 118.
Okay, here you were way off. Way off. Are you sure the
My
periodic?
chemistry teacher would not be proud right now.
So guys, now you have a 3 question, 1 chance. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you question number 7. Which Super Bowl halftime show performer was upstaged by a dancing
So
shark?
many, like Rihanna, Drake, Beyonce, Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift.
Think twice, otherwise it is your last chance. I'm gonna kick out
Kick us out. Oh my god.
because it is the last chance
Oh.
and you're gonna lose the entire.
Let's go
Safe
with Taylor.
option.
Safe option. Let's go with Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Is it Taylor Swift? We wanna go with Taylor Swift.
Sorry guys, that is the wrong answer.
I knew Taylor Swift. I would have known it. I would have known it.
What was the correct answer?
Katy Perry.
Oh my god.
But still you have a prize, that is BMW driving
Oh, yeah.
experience in
Basically
at
won
Dubai
that.
Autodrome.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
So it's a very good thing for you.
Uh-huh.
Yep, it is. It is. We want
Okay,
something
and
great, yeah.
thanks a lot for playing questions with the captain. I hope you enjoyed a lot.
We had
It
a
was
great
fun.
time. It was
It
a
was
lot of
really
fun.
fun.
Yes.
Thank you so
It
much.
was-
Learned a lot as well.
Yeah.
You were
actually.
fantastic guys.